Welcome to this week's episode of 60 Seconds with the Superintendent. Well, as you can see by this massive snow pile behind me, when we think about the maintenance department at Strongsville City Schools, we may see these obvious things of they clear our parking lots and push snows into these huge banks. But let's take a look and learn more about what they do behind the scenes to make our district a better place. Let's head over to Chapman Elementary.
We were tasked to put a new dishwasher in. It was the original dishwasher from the time the building was here. The one we put in here is the same as other two that we put in other schools. So the task we ended up doing was taking a 480 volt circuit and putting a step down transformer in and running a new power panel and running the power downstairs so we could accommodate the lower amps and lower voltage dishwasher. This used to be an all electric building. Power is pretty much tapped out everywhere you go. So we were able to make more power by utilizing 480 that we didn't use anymore and made 208, 120, which is 120 is your common household electricity and for outlets and things of that nature. Yeah, we're going to see savings in power too, and just the efficiency with the new stuff. We're saving quite a bit of money on every energy bill. And then we have the unexpected stuff. Typically on a normal day, if it's going to snow overnight, we come in between 2 and 3 in the morning, plow all the lots, salt all the lots, get it ready before anybody even sees what's going on. Lately, we've had an abundance of snow, and it takes us, between 8 to 11 hours to move it when it's that much, and we run out of places to push it. Thursday, we came in early. We moved snow for about 4 hours. Everybody went home for 4 hours, came back 4 hours later, moved it again. Friday we came in and cleaned up and we were here all day. Custodians do a great job of doing what they need to do, get their sidewalks cleared, and with these larger snows, sometimes we have to get up on their sidewalks with trucks to help them out. So it's just a big group effort. Yeah, we have a great group. Everybody does what they need to do. I always describe it as a sports team. If one guy doesn't block, the quarterback can't throw the ball to the receiver, And if we didn't have the guys we had with the expertise doing what they did every day, we wouldn't be able to handle those projects and save the district the money we do.
As you've seen throughout this episode, it's not just about running electrical lines or replacing a dishwasher or plowing snow. It's about we really have our own maintenance construction crew on staff that can do pretty much any job that's out there. And not only are they doing it in-house, but they're saving the district thousands of dollars each and every year. So a special thank you to the entire crew for their selfless work to make our district a better place. As always, thanks for watching and go make it a great Mustang week.